In the annals of military history, a few names stand out as legends, and one such figure is Manfred von Richthofen, famously known as the Red Baron. As a leading ace pilot during World War I, Richthofen's aerial prowess and charismatic personality captured the imagination of both his comrades and adversaries. This article delves into the life, achievements, and legacy of the Red Baron, shedding light on his remarkable contributions to the war and the evolution of air warfare. Rise to stardom. Manfred von Richthofen was born on May 2, 1892, in what is now Poland. He joined the German Air Force, or Luftstreitkräfte, in 1915 and quickly demonstrated his exceptional skills as a pilot. Richthofen was known for his aggressive and daring flying tactics, often engaging in close-range combat. His prowess in the air earned him a reputation as an ace pilot, and he soon became one of the most feared opponents in the skies. The iconic red triplane. One of the defining aspects of Richthofen's legacy was his distinctive red Fokker Doctor I triplane, which earned him the moniker Red Baron. The plane's vibrant color made him easily recognizable and marked him as a formidable adversary in the eyes of both friend and foe. The sight of the crimson triplane soaring through the skies became emblematic of Richthofen's combat prowess. The art of aerial combat. Richthofen's success as an ace pilot was not solely attributed to his exceptional flying skills. His understanding of aerial combat strategy played a crucial role. He emphasized the importance of situational awareness, discipline, and teamwork in the air. Richthofen's insights into tactics, combined with his ability to assess enemy movements and anticipate maneuvers, allowed him to rack up an impressive tally of aerial victories. Tribulations and tactics. Despite his accolades, Richthofen was not immune to the realities of war. He faced numerous challenges, including wounds, mechanical failures, and the unpredictability of the battlefield. His experience, however, led him to refine his tactics and focus on preserving the lives of his squadron members while maintaining a relentless pursuit of victory. Legacy and influence. Richthofen's legacy extends beyond his impressive combat record. His charisma and chivalry, often extended to his adversaries, endeared him to those who fought alongside him and against him. The respect he commanded on both sides of the conflict elevated him to a symbol of honor and chivalry amidst the brutalities of war. Tragic end. On April 21, 1918, Manfred von Richthofen's illustrious career came to an abrupt end when he was shot down over France. His death remains shrouded in controversy as his plane crashed behind enemy lines. The circumstances of his demise have sparked debates and investigations, but the Red Baron's legacy continues to endure. Manfred von Richthofen, the Red Baron, left an indelible mark on the history of World War I and air warfare. His exceptional flying skills, tactical acumen, and charismatic persona elevated him to legendary status. Richthofen's legacy continues to inspire aviation enthusiasts and military historians, serving as a testament to the individual contributions that shaped the course of warfare and established new standards for aerial combat.